In order to arm the evacuation device, the safety pin with the red flag must be removed and stored away. Push the arming control lever down. The red armed, green disarmed indicator must show armed. If someone opens the arm door from the outside by moving up the exterior control handle, the slide arming lever moves automatically to the disarmed position, which avoids accidental slide deployment. To disarm the door, lift the arming control lever fully up. The armed-disarmed indicator must be green and indicate disarmed. Install the safety pin with the red flag to avoid inadvertent movement of the arming lever.